Dear students, very good afternoon. In this section, we are going to start a new topic, that is separation techniques. So, separation techniques are used in food processing whenever you need to separate undesired materials, or when you want to remove undesired materials from food products, or you want to collect the desired materials from the food products. So, separation techniques are used. One of the separation techniques used is filtration. Filtration is the mostly used separation technique. So if you look at the filtration, it is the process of passing a fluid containing suspended particles. So here, whenever you talk about filtration mostly we use solutions containing suspended solids, or semi-solids are used in filtration. So like your fruits and vegetable juices, beer, this distilled breweries. So all in all this processing, filtration is involved, right? So filtration is a process in which a fluid is passed through a filter, right? There will be a filter medium, so through which your filtration liquid, you the liquid you want to filtrate will be passed through a filter medium, through a porous filter medium. The medium traps the suspended solids, producing a clarified filtrate. Okay, so the liquid coming out of the filter medium is your filtrate. Sometimes that filtrate is your useful product, and undesired product will be retained on the surface of the filter medium, right? So there will be different terminologies. One is filter medium. Filter medium is the porous medium which is used in filtration, through which your solution is passed, right? Feed, we call it as feed in filtration. So feed is passed through filtrate medium. So when feed is passed through the filter medium, so the undesirable or desirable suspended particles are retained on the surface of the filter medium, and after that you will collect a clear filtrate. Okay, so you can give the many examples, like if you are saying clarification of fruit juice, so then the feed will be your fruit juice. Filter medium may be a muslin cloth or a fiber or netted material. So then your filtrate will be your clarified juice, and the suspended solids present in the juice are retained on the surface of the filter medium, right? So this type of filtration can be used for sterilization of fruit juices, like beer is also sterilized by using filtration. If you look at these filtration techniques are characterized into different based on the mechanism used. They are divided into three subcategories. One is surface filtration, another one is depth filtration, another one is filter aid filtration. So if you look at the surface filtration is a process where the filtrate passes across the thickness of a porous sheet. So your filter medium is a porous sheet through which your feed is passed, while suspended solids are retained on the surface of the sheet. uh, so here suspended solids will be retained on the surface of the sheet. The filtrate flow stops when solids cover the pores. That means when the suspended solids block the pores of the filter medium, that is a thin sheet, then the flow of feed through the filter medium will be stopped. That means your filtration is stopped. If the solids do not adhere to the filter surface, the filter medium may be regenerated by backwashing the surface. So if the suspended solids which have blocked the pores do not stick to the pores, then by simple backwashing you can remove the suspended solids from the uh, surface of the filter medium, and you can again go for another batch of filtration, right? So this is used in filtration or sterilization of beer, this surface filtration. Another type of filtration is the surface filtration. We are talking about surface filtration only. The surface filtration is further classified into two. One is dead end filtration, another one is cross flow filtration. So dead end filtration and cross flow filtration. So dead end filtration is known as cake filtration. Cross flow filtration is known as tangential or tangential filtration. So if you look at the dead end filtration, there will be a feed and a filter medium. You can see in this image there is this is the feed, filter medium, and on the surface of the filter medium there will be formation of cake, okay, during filtration, and you will get your collect filtrate. So in case of cross flow filtration, the second image shows the cross flow filtration. So say this is your feed is passing at the center of the filter medium. There are two filter mediums, one is a top filter medium, another one is bottom filter medium. So the suspended solids are retained on the surface of the filter medium, and from both sides of the filter medium you will get the filtrate, right? Now we'll see this depth filtration, okay, which is the second class of filtration, right? We said the surface filtration, depth filtration, and filter aid filtration. Now we'll see this depth filtration. So depth filtration is a process where filter medium is thick and solids penetrates the depth of the filter. Eventually solids block the pores and stop filtrate flow, or solids may break through the filter and contaminate the filtrate. So you may have seen during water purification system they contains different types of cartridges like fiber cartridges. So most of these fiber cartridges are depth works on the principle of depth filtration. So in depth filtration, so there the filtration takes place entire the depth of the filter medium, right? And the filtration eventually stops when all the pores of the filter medium are blocked, right? Must be so what you have to do, you have to replace the filter medium. So you may have seen after few years of using this water purifiers, you have to replace the cartridges, like because the entire depth of the filter medium is used and no further filtration can take place. In depth filtration, particle retention may occur through the electrostatic attraction in addition to the sieving effect. So based on the size of the filter medium, along with the size of the filter medium, the retention of suspended solids on the surface of the filter medium may take place due to electrostatic attraction. So you can give the examples of cartridge filter, sand filters, okay. Next, the third one is filter aid filtration. So filter aid filtration involves the use of agents that form a porous cake with suspended solids. So there is a solution which you want to filtrate, it contains suspended solids, right? You are adding a third material, so that material forms binds with the suspended solids and forms a porous cake. So that material is called filter aid. So this type of filtration is known as filter aid filtration. So the mostly used filter aids are diatomous earth and pertile. So diatomous earth is consisting of two diatom particles, and this pertile is a solid, right? So in filter aid filtration, the filter medium is a thin cloth. So mostly, so here the filter medium is not responsible for the separation of suspended solids. You can say filter medium just gives the base for filter aid. So mostly in filter aid filtration, the filter medium used is a thin cloth or wire mesh that has a little retention capacity. That is what I am saying, that it has very little retention capacity for the suspended solids and serves only to retain the filter aid, So examples are there are different examples. The most of the filters used like vertical leaf filter, plate and frame filter press, rotary vacuum filter. So all these types of filters uses the principle of filter aid filtration. So we will see in this one example, say this is a diagram of filter system for filter aid filtration. So if you look at in any industry, so there will be a filter feed tank. Feed tank means here you will give your juice, beer or anything you want to filter. This will be your feed, and the second tank consists of the pre-coat tank, so in which you add this body feed tank. So here body feed tank is nothing but the tank containing the filter aid. So this filter aid from body feed tank is feeded into the pre-coat tank, where you will mix this feed and the filter aid. So this is your filtrate solution. After this it will go through the pump through a filter, then you will Filter is nothing but a small cloth or a wire mesh. Then the separation is taking place, then you will get your clear filtrate, right? So this is the simple schematic diagram of a filter rate filtration that takes place in industries.